Hey, this is your landscape coach. I'm going to show you something here along this wall that they use as a wall coverage. This is called creeping fig. And if you notice, it's a really nice thick bladed vine, and it has tendrils on the bottom that actually adhere to the wall through time. But this is really nice and thick growing. Pumila. I have to get that botanical name down, but I know the common name for it is called creeping fig. It's probably pretty common all around the United States. I'm here in Southern California, and here in Carlsbad at this hotel, just kind of walking and enjoying the day. And there's a nursery in the back of us. It's Armstrong Nursery. They have a lot of stock that's growing. It's really fragrant. But this creeping fig, as you see here along the wall, it grows really nice and thick. So for a wall coverage, it makes a really perfect plant for covering the wall. See if I can get a little bit closer view of that as it goes along the wall there. And you see that it does creep, thus the name creeping fig. And the tendrils that it has is pretty thick. They're nice and heavy duty, heavy leaf. Looks like it's got a little bit of corotic in it. So it's really nice and green though. With some food, they'll be pretty nice and green. But here in this setting, along the wall here at this hotel, this is just what we have. But as a clinger or a wall covering, I would definitely recommend utilizing the creeping fig. Probably don't have to plant that much of it in order for it to take off. But if you notice, it grows pretty thick. So once it's on the wall, it's not like falling down or coming off. And they use good pruning methods in order to keep it from going all the way over the top of the wall. It's very drought tolerant. And as you see here, this is facing the southwest. So this is the southwest wall. So it'll take the full sun. So it'll take the blazing sun. Probably take the shade pretty well too. So it's pretty durable from the standpoint of the exposure. So keep that in your archive of a choice of a vine to have on the wall. This is a masonry wall, and it looks like they just grew it up from the ground, let it take its time, and creep up along the side of the wall. It goes all the way down to the other end down there, and we go all the way around the bend here. So it's a good backdrop wall covering. Creeping fig.